There is more legal drama over former President Donald Trump, who said last week he expected to be arrested. He has not been arrested, but throughout the night and into today, legal arguments have been flying back and forth over whether Trump's own lawyer has to provide testimony and evidence to prosecutors because his services may have been used to facilitate a possible crime. Jackson Proskow is in Manhattan tonight. Jackson, this is an unexpected twist. How serious is it?
Very serious, Donna. In fact, late today, a panel of 3 judges ruled that Trump's attorney, Evan Corcoran, must appear before a grand jury and provide evidence to them as early as Friday. This is the grand jury investigating the classified documents found at Trump's Mar-a-Lago home in Florida. And it is a very serious development because what the judges have done is break attorney-client privilege here. They've done so because they believe Trump has committed a crime and has lied to his own attorneys about it. And there is what's known as a crime fraud exception in attorney-client privilege, and that is why Mr. Corcoran will be compelled to testify and produce evidence. This is arguably a nightmare scenario for someone in Mr. Trump's position, a potential defendant who is under criminal investigation.
This means that the lawyer will have to testify, will have to turn over documents that reflect the legal advice and the back and forth that he was having with President Trump. Again, very unusual for a federal judge to determine that a client was apparently using a lawyer in furtherance of a crime or a fraud. It's not something that happens every day. It's very serious and very unusual.
Well, Jackson, the lawyers sure are busy. What happens next?
Well, the work of a grand jury typically remains secret, so we won't know more until things either appear on a court docket somewhere or an announcement is made by prosecutors. But we do know that in the Mar-a-Lago documents case, things are moving very, very rapidly at this point under the supervision of that special counsel back in Washington. Meanwhile, back here in New York, the grand jury that is continuing to look at the 2016 alleged hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels did not convene today. The grand jury was told to stay home. It's not clear why. They are on standby to meet again tomorrow. And Donna, it is very possible that at that meeting tomorrow, they could in fact vote to indict former President Donald Trump, making him the first former American president to, of course, face indictment and arrest.
All right, we'll keep watching. Jackson Proskow in New York tonight. Thanks.